Hi friends, welcome back to ARCTutorials. In today's episode, we are going to compare two leading AI coding assistants or tools that are often used by developers. At the end, you will know which one is ideal for what use case, but we will explore all the features of Cursor AI versus Tabnine AI in this episode. Let's get started and check which one will rule. Alright, so let's start with basic overview first. Cursor AI is an AI coding assistant which is focusing on real-time suggestions, code completion, error fixing in IDEs. Whereas Tabnine is an AI-powered code completion tool which supports multiple languages and different IDEs, which is integrated development environments. The target users for Cursor AI are individual developers mostly who are seeking contextual code suggestions and pair programming. Whereas Tabnine is mostly driven by developers and enterprise teams wanting AI-assisted coding across multiple editors. Cursor AI has excellent support for JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, Java, Go, C++. Whereas Tabnine has 30 plus languages that can be used with, including Python, Java, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, C++. Cursor AI has a strong integration with Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, Sublime, and NeoVim. Tabnine also supports all of those leading editors like Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, Sublime, Vim, Emacs, and much more. Cursor AI can write entire code when you give proper prompt to it. You can use it to generate entire code, code suggestions, refactoring, error checking, AI pair programming. Tabnine, on the other side, helps you with auto-completion, code snippets, AI-assisted refactoring, multi-language support. Cursor AI supports shared code suggestions in teams, whereas the Tabnine has a Teams plan for entire sharing repository and private model training. Alright, so talking about the pricing, Cursor AI plan is free for basic use, but if you want to go with the additional Pro plan, it's $12 per month. Tabnine also offers you free tier and the Pro plan starts at $15 per month. So this is my take for you. Cursor AI is best for individual developers, freelancers, and small teams who are wanting smart AI coding assistant. Whereas Tabnine can be used by multi-language teams seeking universal AI coding support. Some of the pros of Cursor AI are that it's context-aware code completions, quick learning, and IDE support. Whereas Tabnine supports wide variety of languages, a robust enterprise plan. Here are some of the cons of Cursor AI. It supports fewer languages than Tabnine, whereas Tabnine supports multiple languages, and it's slightly heavier on resources. Its UI is less intuitive, if I would say that. So what is the overall rating that we will give for Cursor AI is 4.7 out of 5 and Tabnine is 4.6 out of 5. Final verdict on Cursor AI versus Tabnine is Cursor AI is ideal for real-time contextual code suggestions, whereas Tabnine is much stronger for multi-language team environments. That's my take on Cursor AI versus Tabnine coding assistants. Make sure that you let me know in the comment section what you feel. If you have tried one of these, which one is your favorite AI coding assistant tool? Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. Till then, happy exploring apps.